So inside the house has a massive laundry room, which will eventually divide and make it a pantry and a laundry room. Cabinets are mid-century survivors. Dig the stove, 4 foot. We have a short-term plan for that. Short-term, house is going to be ready. Tyler and Corey are going to take it. How you like the glass? Took out a big island here. How do you like the glass? Anyway, that's the main entry of the house. My favorite detail. But anyway, short term, while we let the foundation stabilize, yep, new doors go in there. While we let the foundation stabilize, which is part of the work for the crawl space, they're going to be renting the house. The eventual plan is we'll save those original cabinets, but we'll do a heavy renovation here. And even though we know the house is going to move and settle some more as the soils under it dry out, we're repairing the drywall because you want it to look decent where you're living. But when they've moved on to their bigger plan and the foundation is settled, this was the original master. We will take the time to redo all the bathrooms and replace another set of doors that right now we're just going to leave. Wave hi, Mr. and Mrs. Carter. Hey, have him pull those sconces. I'm ordering some for there. Just those 2 sconces. Need closet space for days. And a hall bath. Unfortunately, we're going to have to go ahead and rip this out now. Counter. Light for days. But we'll rip that vanity out and replace it. But we'll go back eventually with probably floating cabinet, something very modern in each of the 3 original bathrooms and the half bath. So anyway, we have another project.